Hello friends, today in this video we are going to talk about how to enable do not disturb mode on your iPhone 15 Pro. So let's get started. So first of all you need to go your settings, just tap on it. When you tap on it you can see a new interface just like this. Here you can see option of focus, just tap on it. When you tap on it, another screen you can see a option of do not disturb, just tap on it. When you tap on it, here you can add a schedule. And after this here you can choose a lock screen, and this mode will work on. And after this pick the done key, and here you can choose contacts which will be able to call and text you while the mode is working. And the same thing you can try on applications. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video then please hit a like button. Thank you.